wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling backpacks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. When not in use, the handle of the Samsonite 17896 tucks away into a zippered compartment, as do the straps, so you'll not have to worry about them getting in the way. It's made from a sturdy ripstop nylon to ensure it'll last for years. It rolls almost completely silently and is the perfect size for weekend trips. However, there are few color choices. At number 9, the Olympia Melody is large, affordable, durable, and offers lots of organizational pockets. It's everything you want in a backpack, with the addition of smooth rolling wheels for those times you're tired of carrying it. It fits inside most school lockers and comes with thick padding on the back. It's made from robust polyester. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the J-World NY Sunrise comes in a lot of patterns that make it stand apart from the crowd. It has air mesh shoulder straps that are comfortable to wear for extended periods, and an organizer in the front pocket for things like pens, business cards, and change. It doesn't wobble when rolling, and the material is easy to clean. However, this one's not the best for tall users. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you need something capable of accommodating a lot of stuff, the Jansport Driver 8 Core series is a worthwhile choice. It features 2 large main compartments along with a number of pockets for organizing your accessories. It offers a good amount of water resistance and is backed by a lifetime warranty, but the shoulder straps can be uncomfortable. Moving up our list to number 6. The armored bottom on the Tilami School and Travel prevents it from getting damaged as you roll it, and its high-strength aluminum handle won't bend easily. It's a little on the small side for 3-ring binders, but can easily hold a laptop or a couple of textbooks. It's equipped with well-padded strap pockets and a pull-over wheel cover. However, it is pricey for the size and overall quality. Halfway up our list at number 5. The High Sierra XBT has smooth rolling wheels and is tough enough to hold your heaviest items without tearing. For protection, it's equipped with a kick plate and corner guards to save the edges from getting dinged up over time. It fits under most airline seats and contains lots of interior padding, but there's no good place for a water bottle. At number 4, for those venturing farther than the office or school, the Osprey Fairview 36 is just the bag to go the distance. At 36 liters, it can hold more than enough for a weekend trip, or you can pair it with a larger checked bag when you'll be hitting the road for longer. It offers good clearance for bumpy streets and dual compression straps on the front. However, it is on the more expensive side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Carrying heavy books to school can lead to long-term back problems for kids, even those still in elementary school. The Skip Hop Zoo can help reduce the possibility of this happening to your child, and they'll love the fun animal designs it comes in. It's equipped with a side mesh bottle pocket and cute matching zipper pulls. It deliberately has no shoulder straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Matein freewheel is a versatile design that's well suited to a variety of needs. It features a padded laptop pocket that accommodates any device up to 15.6 inches and wheels that can handle all kinds of rough terrain. The main compartment opens wide and it has lockable zippers. There's a choice of 2 sizes. And taking the top spot on our list, the Kipling Alcatraz has a top-to-bottom U-shaped opening that allows you to load it to capacity without struggling to get large items in. The shoulder straps can be unhooked and shoved into a zippered pocket, which protects them while you're wheeling it along. It's small enough to be a carry-on and comes with intuitively placed pockets and a secure buckle closure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video.